Tired of being locked into your software's outdated and restrictive payment integrations? Your business deserves modern payment processing that works with all of your critical software. PayJunction has a no-code solution that can help your business to save valuable time and money. PayJunction's no-code payments integration is a powerful browser-based tool that eliminates redundant data entry and costly errors. It lets you automatically sync transaction information with any browser-based app, giving your business and customers a more modern payment experience. Hi, I'm Tom from XRay Tech, and today I'll show you how PayJunction can transform your payment process in minutes. First, we'll take a quick look at PayJunction's key features and functionality. Then, I'll show you how to set up their no-code Chrome extension so you can integrate PayJunction with any web application. Finally, I'll wrap things up with a brief demonstration of how to connect PayJunction to Zapier to start automating your payment workflows. Before I jump in, I just want to say thanks to PayJunction for sponsoring this video. Now let's get started. To begin, who is PayJunction and what sets them apart from the competition? PayJunction is payment processing software with over 25 years of industry expertise. They have solutions that let you run payments at a physical point of sale, submit digital payment requests, or directly enter card information through a simple virtual terminal. No matter how you're collecting payments, it can all be easily managed online with PayJunction software that runs in your browser window. You can also use their Chrome extension to integrate PayJunction with the web apps you're already using, even your own custom web software. With your own custom no-code integration, you'll be able to automatically extract data from your CRM, ERP, or any other web app. Then that same data will be automatically filled out in PayJunction whenever you need to create a new charge or invoice. No more tedious copying and pasting, no more errors from manual entry. All of the data automatically appears right where you need it. In addition to integrating directly into your apps through a Chrome extension, PayJunction can also connect with any web app you want via Zapier. You can use no-code Zapier automations to log every new transaction in QuickBooks, create new rows for transactions in Google Sheets, or update customer information in HubSpot. But that's just scratching the surface. Zapier has integrations for over 8,000 web apps and counting, so you can connect your PayJunction data to virtually any app you can think of. And we'll show you how to start automating PayJunction with Zapier at the end of this video. Ultimately, one of the key benefits here is freedom of choice. A lot of businesses rely on highly specialized software that's particular to their industry, and while those apps can be excellent for managing your dental practice or your vet office or an auto dealership, their payment options are often lacking. If your integrated payment provider offers poor customer service or doesn't have the features you need, then you can make the switch to PayJunction, all while still using whatever software you'd like to manage your business. PayJunction offers 3 pricing plans, which you can learn more about on their site. The standard plan offers a simple and competitive fee structure for credit card and ACH transactions. For larger organizations, the enterprise plan is a fully customized setup tailored to fit your business. And finally, there's a surcharge plan that allows you to pass the majority of credit card fees onto your customers. However, this plan is only available in certain states where authorized by law. We've linked to the pricing page in this video's resources board, which you can find in the description below. There, you can pick a plan, submit some information, and get a customized pricing plan from PayJunction's team. All in all, if you're looking for an affordable and convenient way to process payments at your company that integrates with the software you're already using, PayJunction is a great choice. After selecting your pricing plan and getting access to your new PayJunction account, let's take a look at how to set up a no-code integration. To get started, you'll need to install PayJunction's Chrome extension, called No-Code Payments Integration. I've added a link to it in the resources board, which you can find in the description. Once you've added the extension to your browser, you may want to pin it for easy access. Click on the extension and sign in with your PayJunction username and password. Then, authorize the extension to access your account. You can then select defaults for the Smart Terminal, Merchant, and ACH accounts. Once you've finished that basic setup, you can instantly start processing payments. But like I mentioned earlier, you can also set up a custom integration to instantly autofill transaction data from any web app. For example, I'll create an integration for this custom web app, which should look pretty similar to the software you're using every day. To start creating an integration, open up the web app to the specific page you want to integrate in your browser, then open the PayJunction extension. Click the gear icon at the top to access Settings and select Integrations. Then click Integrate. Give your integration a name. Under URL, you'll see the URL that the integration will be applied to. In many cases, you may want to replace part of the URL with an asterisk wildcard so that it applies to a wider range of pages. With your URL all set, you can choose a default action. I'll stick with charge. If you click on Integration Settings, you'll see some useful options for controlling how your integration runs. One setting in particular that I want to highlight is the Auto Open toggle. When this is enabled, your integration will open up automatically whenever you load an integrated page. Once you've configured these settings to your liking, you can return to your integration. For all of the other fields, like transaction amount, invoice number, first name, and so on, you can either enter data directly or dynamically map each field to an element on the page. To map a field, just click on the target icon, then select the matching element on your screen. So I'll map transaction amount to the amount value. When you map a field to your integration, you'll see it highlighted in blue like this. I'll go ahead and map all of the rest of the fields with the same method. Note that you can also use filters to match data against regular expressions. For example, we'll use a filter to extract the customer's first and last names from their full name. Before wrapping up an integration like this, you may also want to add some automated actions, which you can do at the bottom of this integrations panel. For example, I'll add an automation that runs after the charge is processed. I'll set up the automation to fill in my app with all of the payment information that's being processed in PayJunction. That way, the two sources will stay reconciled, with both having a consistent record of the transaction. Once all your mappings and automations are set up, click Save to complete the integration. Now let's give this a test. I'll click on Smart Terminal to initiate a new payment. And as you can see, all of the transaction details are automatically pre-filled, pulling in data from the web page I've got open. Perfect. Now the customer can swipe or tap their preferred payment method to complete the payment. And after we run the transaction, the payment details are automatically added to my app here, and the payment is marked as processed. In my PayJunction account, I can see that same transaction right here, and there's a receipt sent to the provided email. Everything looks good. Setting up an integration like this just takes a few minutes. Then you'll be ready to instantly fill in data for all of your transactions going forward. And because of the simple point-and-click setup, you can create integrations for any web app you want. In addition to the functionality provided by PayJunction's no-code integration, you can also connect to Zapier to access a constantly growing library of over 8,000 web apps. This includes everything from CRMs like HubSpot and Copper to spreadsheet apps like Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets, or accounting apps like QuickBooks Online and Zoho Books. If you're not sure whether or not your app is supported by Zapier, you can just do a quick search on xray.tools to check. But whichever apps you want to automate, your first step will always be the same. You'll need to connect your PayJunction account to Zapier. To begin, sign in to Zapier and select App Connections. Add a new connection. Search for PayJunction and select it from the results. Then, you'll just need to choose your account type, sign in to PayJunction, and click Authorize. You're now ready to start automating PayJunction. Need some help setting up PayJunction or connecting it to automations in Zapier? With LowCodeEngineers, you can get expert guidance from a handpicked engineer in 48 hours or less. Our team at LCE will help you set up an automation and show you how it all works with one-on-one collaborative calls. And there's no long-term commitment. Just schedule as much time as you need on a flexible hourly basis. We guarantee that you'll make progress in every session, getting one step closer to accomplishing your goals with PayJunction, Zapier, Software, Airtable, HubSpot, or any other low-code app. Just go to LowCodeEngineers to reach out and schedule your first hour. Finally, let's wrap up this video by building a simple automation with Zapier and PayJunction. This will be a simple two-step automation that you can follow along with on any Zapier plan, even a free one. The Zap will trigger whenever we process a new transaction in PayJunction. Then it will automatically send a message in Slack with an alert about the new transaction. If you're not really a Slack user, don't worry. The basic setup and techniques that I'm going to cover will apply to any app you want to populate with data from PayJunction. To begin, create a new Zap. You'll need to choose the trigger app and event that prompt your automation to run. I'll choose PayJunction as the app. For the event, you'll see several options. You can run automated actions for new deposits, for failed payments, for new invoices, and for several other events. But I'll just use new transaction for this automation. Zapier should automatically select your PayJunction account here, but you can switch the account if you have multiple. Then click Continue. Now it's time to test your trigger. This will look for a recent transaction in your PayJunction account. And I can see the transaction I processed earlier with the no-code integration. Great. I'll continue with this record. Next, we need to configure an automated action that follows the trigger. Once again, we'll need to pick an app and event. I'll go with Slack. The event will be Send Channel Message. And note that you'll need to authorize your Slack account as well. There are several settings here, but the two main things we need to configure are the destination channel and the text of our message. I'll pick our tutorials channel in Slack, and I'll start composing a message in Slack alerting our team to the new transaction. But I'm not just going to enter static text here. By clicking on this plus button, you can bring up all the dynamic data retrieved from the PayJunction trigger. This will let me enter details specific to each transaction, like the total amount and the customer name. And if you're not using Slack, you could just as easily enter this data into other apps, like Google Sheets or QuickBooks, for example. I'll finish up this step by providing a name and icon for our automated Slack bot to use. Now let's give this action a test. Note that testing an automated step in Zapier will actually perform that action, so make sure you're okay with sending this message before you proceed. Zapier says the test was successful, but let's check Slack to make sure. There's our message, formatted exactly as we set it up in Zapier. Awesome. Again, with 8,000 apps to choose from, you can build any workflow you want in Zapier. Check out the other tutorials on our channel to learn more, and leave a comment down below if there's a specific automation you'd like to see us cover in more detail. PayJunction offers you the freedom to process payments anywhere with any software your team already uses. No complicated coding required. Just simple browser-based tools that integrate seamlessly with your existing workflow. Visit this URL to start saving time and money on your payment processing today. If this video helped you out, like and subscribe to the channel for more AI and automation updates every single week. You can also find me and my company XRay Tech by searching for XRay Automation on nearly every social media platform. For now, I've got to go, so until next time, find your focus and stay in flow.